Why does falling asleep feel so good after a long day? Because your brain and body crave deep rest to reset and reward you after all that stress and effort. As you wind down, your brain starts releasing dopamine and serotonin, the chemicals that make you feel pleasure and relaxation. After a long day filled with stress and activity, these chemicals flood your system, creating a natural reward that makes falling asleep feel so satisfying. It's like your brain is saying, "You earned this rest." This reward system helps motivate you to keep a healthy sleep routine. When you finally fall asleep, your body shifts into repair mode. Growth hormone is released to heal muscles and tissues, inflammation decreases, and cortisol, the stress hormone, drops. This physical reset helps your body recover from the day's wear and tear. That's why sleep not only feels good, but is essential for your health and energy the next day. After a long day, your mind is often busy with thoughts and worries. Falling asleep helps quiet this mental noise. During sleep, your brain processes emotions and clears out unnecessary information, reducing anxiety and stress. This calming effect on your mind makes the moment of falling asleep feel like a peaceful escape from the day's chaos. So next time you flop into bed after a long day, remember it's your brain and body rewarding you with rest and repair. That amazing feeling is a sign you're healing and recharging. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.